Good morning, student. I Kailash Shankar from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu. Welcome in my Maths 11 class. Student, today we are continuing our topic sequence and series. And in this sequence and series, we are continuing our topic a special series. What is our topic for today? Special series. For solving the special series of that type of problem, here we used some formulas. The formulas are summation of n. N means sum of n natural number. The sum of n natural number, that is the 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. So the formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Similarly, summation of n square, that is summation of n square means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. So what is the sum of the square of the n natural numbers? That is the n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. And similarly the cube of n natural number, the sum of cubes of the n natural number, that is the 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to n cube. So formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 to the whole square. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Now after using the formulas, the first question related to that, what is the first question? That is the 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 up to n terms. So we wish to find the sum of the question. So our first question, that is the, first of all we want to find the an. So what is the an? That is the a plus n minus 1 into d. The formula of an, that is the a plus n minus 1 into d, that is the 1, 2, 3 up to n, and now multiplied by 2, 3, 4 up to n terms. So here again multiplied 2 plus n minus 1 into d again is 1. So here a n we clearly see that 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied 2 plus n minus 1. So here 1 and 1 cancel out, so that there is 2 minus 1, that is the 1. So n is n into n plus 1. It means n square plus n. Here the sum is n square plus n. Because we want to find the Sn. So what is the Sn? Here Sn is summation of an, means summation of n square plus summation of n. So we have both of the formula, summation of n square, that's the second formula, and summation of n is equal to first formula. If we put, then find the Sn, that is the n into n plus 1 and 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Now the second terms n into n plus 1 divided by 2. After taking n and n plus 1 divided by 2, and we get 2n plus 1 divided by 3 n plus 1. Okay, now n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So there is 2n plus 1 plus 3 divided by 3. So finally we get the answer n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and here 2 common, then n plus 2 divided by 3. If 2 and 2 will cancel out, so finally what's the answer? N into n plus 1 n plus 2 divided by 3. So finally our answer is that, what is the n into n plus 1 n plus 2 divided by 3. I hope you understood this question. Okay. Now our second question is, because we want to find direct Sn. So the question is 1 upon 1 into 2, 1 upon 2 into 3, 1 upon 3 into 4, and so on. Last one is 1 upon n into n plus 1. So final step is 1 upon n into n plus 1. So student, can we write this question as 1 upon 1 into 2? So we can write 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2. Student, 1 upon 1 into 2, it means 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2. After solving this, we get this term also. So we can write as this term 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Similarly, the next step 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. And now last term is 1 upon n minus 1 upon n plus 1. So here the 1 by 2 finally cut out. 1 by 3 finally cut out. 1 by 4 and next term 1 by n. So what's the Sn? The first term here, after this process here we have a term first and last term. So what is our Sn? 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon n by n plus 1. So Sn equal to, after taking LCM, n plus 1 is a LCM, then n plus 1 minus 1. So 1 and 1 also cancel out. So answer is n upon n plus 1. What is the answer? That is the n upon n plus 1. So this is the final questions of the special series. I hope you understood this question clearly. Okay, thank you.